him.
Oh, no. Could you?
Was it something I said?
Oh, no, Bubbles. We have to talk about...
Look what I got! A BFF etiquette!
Oh. Mew, what you have done? Setting a sweetness pie.
All I did was tell the truth.
Well, you did, but this time it came out too mean.
If you can't handle me at my realest, then you don't deserve me at my cutest. I'm outie! And I'm taking my things.
Hey, those were a symbol of our friendship. I've never seen him like this, so mean.
Fluttershy, the fact of the matter is that Bubbles hasn't been the nicest to us.
You're right. He really hasn't been that nice to me either. He just looks cute and gives me a gift whenever he's mean. I think it's time you see my dark side once and for all. Oh, I'm not sure you can... Okay, we'll work you, Bubbles. You don't just talk to my friends like that and then bail.
Oh, Fluttershy, is it? Yeah, what brings you all the way over to Sugar Packet Place?
What is going on? You just took our friendship jewelry and left.
Listen, our friendship was fun while it lasted, but I'm just too cool for you and your friends. This is my new best friend, Fluttershy.
You already have a new best friend? You gave her my BFF bracelet?
Yeah, because unlike you and your friends, she can handle my cuteness/sass.
You call it sass, but it's actually being mean. I had enough of you.
Oh, come on, don't be mad.
Oh, going cute on me, huh? Well, two can play at that game. My goodness, she's trying to have adorable him. It's almost too cute. For some too cool cat who doesn't deserve my friendship.
We're just glad to have you back.
Bubbles, I'm bored. Make me laugh. Oh, Bubbles, you're so funny.
All right, I have given savory desserts one last attempt. With soup and salad cake, the frosting is a balsamic glaze.
Well, this is definitely savory. Good work, Pinky.
You know what I'm craving?
Something sweet. Don't worry, I've got you covered. What a treat.
Delicious.
Sweet as Fluttershy.